On this date, January 10th, 1946, the United Nations General Assembly convened for the first time in London, England. The first session of the General Assembly lasted 1 month, from the 10th of January to the 10th of February, 1946. The aftermath of World War II. The United Nations was viewed as a new hope for international peace and cooperation. During its inaugural conference, the United Nations adopted the objective of eliminating all nuclear weapons and other weapons of mass destruction. By the conclusion of the year, an additional 106 resolutions were passed. They addressed issues such as the political rights of women, the plight of refugees, the right to self-determination, the terrible crime of genocide, and the role of civil society. The UN today has 193 member states, representing 99.5% of the world's population. As a result, the United Nations General Assembly is the most representative and deliberative body in the world.